Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your seats up and down. So for these rear seats, you'll actually have to go into the trunk. So we'll open the trunk, and you might need some power to your vehicle to open this. But to fold down, you should see these levers here. So we'll pull, and that lever, once you've pulled that, that's going to release the safety that holds this shut. So now we can freely fold this down, and it works the same for that passenger side with that other lever. And when you're finished and you want this to be secured back up here again, I'd first take the seat belt to make sure it doesn't get trapped, and then you push this back up, and now it's locked back in place. And for the center to fold it up and down, you just pull it like that, nothing fancy. And for these front seats, as long as you've got some power to your vehicle, this will slide the whole seat backwards or forwards. This will operate the back. So if you push this, it'll lean back or lean forward. This just kind of adjusts the lumbar support. And I'll check out the passenger side now. This passenger side is not electronic, so this one here with this whole seat fold forward, and usually with two hands, if you pull this up, you can push back, and when you release this lever and it's down, it locks it in place. And then this one just moves the whole seat up, and then up here, if you lift this, you can now slide the whole seat forward or back, and when you release this and it goes down again, it locks it back in place. But I hope all this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.